Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Teaching Method with Shathi Miss. Today we will learn a very important and interesting topic in mathematics, Unitary Method. Okay, so that's mean Okik new. Unitary Method. That's mean Okik new. So first let us understand what's the unitary method means. The word unitary method means 1. The word unitary method means 1. Okay. So unitary method is a method where we first find the value of one unit and then we find the value of many unit. Value of many unit. Okay. So in simple word, value of many, value of one, value of one, and value of required number, value of required number. Okay, value of many, value of one, value of required numbers. Now let's understand with one example. Example 1. If the cost of 5 pen is 50 taka, what is the cost of 1 pen? Okay. Step 1. 5 pen cost is 50 taka. So we find out 1 pen cost. So 5 less than. So 5 less than mean we have to remember divide. Okay. So 5 pen cost divide, so 50 divided 5. So that means 10 taka. Okay. Now we want to find cost of 8 pen. So 1 pen cost 10 taka. So that means 8 pen cost. One more than. That means multiply 10 into 8. So that means 10 is the 80 taka. That is said. This is the answer. Okay. So student, we use the unitary method. First we found the value of one unit. Then we find the value of many units. Okay. So today's class is over. Student, this method is very important for solving word problems mathematics, especially in class 5 and cadet college preparation and competitive exam. If you want to learn math in a very easy and smart way, please subscribe to my channel Teaching Method with Shathi Miss and press the icon bell to get more math lessons. See you again next class. Happy learning. Assalamualaikum everyone.